What's up, guys? Welcome back to GRUNT NATION. Today we have a rather exciting video going over the Cyelee Chameleon SRS-8 and the Cyelee Chameleon G SRS-8 red dot sight. First off, I want to give a huge shout out to Cyelee Optics for sending me their products. I'm real excited to try them out. Also, stick around because at the end of the video, I'll give you guys a discount code so you guys can get 15% off your purchase if you're interested in testing the Chameleon yourself. So let's go ahead and get into it. The boxing I really like. It seems very well put together. So the first thing you're going to see is this little patch. This Velcro patch. I think that's pretty cool. You could hang on your backpack or whatever you got. And then you have your instructions, some tips on zeroing. Then you have your cloth to clean your lens. Then you get a little Cyelee sticker. So let's get a look at this one. Well, there it is. This is the red one and this is the green one. So far, it looks very sleek, seems very well made. So both of these are made for RMR 407C and 507C footprint. So here's the comparison of the two. They're literally the exact same, other than one is green and one is red. One of the things I liked about these is it has the shake awake and the motion deactivating standby. They're both made out of aircraft grade aluminum. They're very well made. They seem like they'd stand up to a lot of stuff. So the window size is 26.5 by 22.5 millimeter or 1.04 by 0.09 inches. It's very nice. There's plenty of room to see the dot and through the optic itself. The overall length is 2.1 inches. The width is 1.2 inches and the height is 1.5 inches. So it's made to fit comfortably on your pistol for concealed carrying and all that sorts of stuff. They weigh 1.4 ounces, so it's fairly light, not adding too much weight on your pistol. I do like the window coated glass. This one's got a little orangish color and this one's slightly tinted for the green. It has 8 daytime settings and 2 night vision settings and an 8 MOS dot. Let's see if we can see that. There's the green one. You use the plus sign to turn it on, and then you hold the minus to turn off. And then same with the red. Plus to turn on, and there's the red. So they're really nice. I like how the dot itself is very prominent. You can see very clearly of where it's at. The battery is top mounted on both of them. So it's very easy to take the battery in and out and switch and everything you need to do with that. The battery itself should last you up to 50,000 hours of use, which I think is comparable to every other red dot. So I think that's really cool. It is parallax free, meaning regardless of your eye position while shooting, the reticle stays in the same position. So if you got to tilt to the side or you can't get a perfect alignment, I think that's really good about it. It is waterproof. I will be testing that out in up and coming videos, but I think it's good for all optics to be waterproof because you never know when you need them and what environment you need them in. And they also offer a limited lifetime warranty. Some other things that come in the box is a whole bunch of screws for the different pistols and mounting. It also comes with the hex keys to change out the batteries and to adjust your zero. So yeah, I'm very impressed at how they are. They're at a good price point. They're at about $199. But yeah, overall, they're just really great looking and very well made, in my opinion. A lot of red dots out there can be like very plasticky and whatnot, but I really like how these are made. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out and looking forward to showing you guys mounting and shooting with it. All right, now those who made it to the end of the video, here's your discount code. If you use the discount code GRUNTNC15, you can get 15% off either of these from Amazon or from their website at www.cyleeoptics.com. Let me know what you guys think about these. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and comment down below. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.